Oh, went the wrong way. Oh shit, I did.
Hey, it works, it works.
Yeah, dude. I accidentally took... this thing's so bent. It's so bent, dude.
Oh, it's beautiful though.
Oh my god.
It's the fridge.
I get back in. I took the... I wanted to go further down the road, but I ended up in the grass.
Hey, this is guy just tripping. I go fish first. Better get on camera.
Oh, I will.
I turned mine.
What gave?
It broke.
The fridge?
Yeah. It broke.
Did it snap?
It got grip.
Did it like...
It just stopped. My
It snapped. It completely snapped. Look at that.
My knee just flew into the side of the fridge right here.
You broke it with your knee. This is so stupid, but awesome at the same
it felt
time.
so good. Look, it was just dragging.
Yeah, that's where it caught.
It just took off the...
Oh my god,
I
dude.
was face first into this. Let's just
Yo, look, you see that? I see ground there. Let's throw the rope down that. Okay, you grab the rope.